What it is, your boy Lando. I am the man, though. If I ain't the man, who is the man? I am the man. Hey, I like that line. I don't care what you say. That's the hottest line out there. But check this out. I've been made fun of, laughed at, cracked on. I'm tired of it. My wife, and it's about the people I love the most. My wife and my daughter making fun of my headphones, right? So if y'all look at my past, you see my trucker video, my old trucker videos. I got some headphones, my trucker headset, and you got a little headpiece right here, the mouthpiece, but it's broke. Well, that's what I've been wearing to the gym. I've been rocking to the gym. Like, man, I don't care. I ain't in here looking for nobody. Well, it's time to upgrade. It's time to upgrade, man. So what I did, I just ordered some online at Best Buy. I'm going to pick it up right now. I just ordered that about an hour ago. Picking it up right now, and I'm having some new headphones, man. I think I'm gonna look a little better with my headphones. So yeah, I'm at Best Buy. I'll be jamming a little bit better now. I'm still gonna keep my trucker headset, cause yeah, those official, I'm them backups, old faithful. But yeah, man, it's a beautiful day. You know what time it is? I'm about to go and hit the gym in a few. We talk about the rest of the day in a few later on. We're about to walk in the Best Buy right now, pick them up. I already paid for, so they already know I'm VIP. They know me. I'm the man. All right, thank you. There we go. Oh yeah, we about to get it. That's what this thing about, y'all. Y'all know, I'm go mode. I couldn't find a green one. Not to pick up today. I wanted it today. I made up my mind. Okay, nice little box. Huh, black. Okay. Can't go wrong with black, you know what I mean? So go ahead and just change the way you hear sound. Okay. I think I had some beats before, back in the days. But if I didn't, I have some now. Hopefully it's charged. I'm going straight to the gym. Gotta have something. All black. That's it. Nothing crazy. What did it say? Control for wireless mode. Alright. Play. Answer. Okay. Gotcha. Let's see. Charge. Yep. Gotcha. Yeah, we ready. Oh yeah, they sound good now. The best thing about this, now check this out. I don't have to bring my phone into the gym. When I go running, I can just go running with my Apple Watch, because you're going to connect right to it. You know what I'm saying? I might go running there. I might switch it up and go running today. Yeah. What you say, Linda? Sound like a good idea? Nah, I'm going to knock out boulder shoulders. All right, y'all. Currently at the gym, outside the gym at that. I haven't gone inside yet, but I'm not going to lie. I'm so sleepy. I'm tired. Like, I was falling asleep coming here. I said, dang, it's a different level right there. That wasn't even planned. That's not even fake. That's a real yawn. But guess what? The show must go on. Is it because I feel like this? I'm about to turn up in the gym today. Big back. Silverback.
I gave you everything, knowing you wanted me.
Just start playing. Silverback today. Big shoulders going up today. Watch I turn up, man. And I ain't got no. Remember, I ain't messing with sweets right now, so it's all good though. It's probably all part of the detox. Yeah, that's what we're gonna say. It's part of the detox. Yeah, right. so I'm not gonna turn on. Okay, guys, we made it. Even though I didn't want to work out today, my body was tired. I made it here regardless. Now we're gonna start out with a little 5-minute treadmill run just to get blood going, right? So today we're working out boulder shoulders, and we talking about the gorilla back. Oh yeah, we're gonna get it in today. We're gonna make it happen. Just pay attention. Just tap in. Now, we call this one the big boy back. You know, that's what I call it. Big boy back, 'cause I'm a big boy. I'm getting that big boy back. The gorilla back is coming. What's up, y'all? What the deal? Of course, I tore it up today in the gym, even though I was tired. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I got a little distracted today. I tore it up. I did more than enough workout. Maybe that's why I got distracted. I wasn't as focused as I wasn't as focused as I usually am. I don't even sound right. I don't know what's going on, but. Cause I was on the phone all the time. I was on the Instagram, but I got it in. I was focused from like the whole back section. I was focused. The beginning of the shoulders, I was focused. Like the end of the shoulders, I started idling a little bit, but I just stopped. I realized I wasn't focused no more. The energy wasn't there. But I had already overdid it. I did 4 different workouts for each body part. Yeah, so now I'm about to go find me something to eat. I can't think of nothing off the top of my head at the house to eat, so I'm gonna go to the Jamaican restaurant and order me some chickpeas and spinach. It's good, good. I told y'all, I've been eating plant-based before this. Like, my boy said I'm a flexitarian. Like, I go weeks, don't eat no meat. Well, I don't eat meat anyway. Won't eat any fish, just plant-based. So this is one of my favorite dish right here, so I'm about to go get that. Yeah, and that's low carbs also. Yeah, man, so that's what I'm about to go do. After that, I might go by my wife's salon because she's asking me if I'm coming up there. As if I planned on coming up there. Just tell me you want me to come up there, right? Like, come on. Just tell me you want me to come up there. Don't ask, are you still coming up here? Something like that. I'm like, what? I never made that plan. But that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go up there after I go home and bathe, find something to eat. So like that. But yeah. Let's see if they got chickpeas and spinach. It's kind of late. It's after 8. It might be even be closed. Cause this restaurant closed a little early. But we'll see. We gonna see y'all. See a flag. Till 9 p.m. Hello. Oh no, that don't look good. All right, y'all. She said she gonna make me a special batch because it's done. All right. Okay. I'll wait.
You want it spicy?
Not too spicy.
Oh,
but
a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll make it for you.
Okay.
Just wait. All right.
All right. Thank you. Good Island. All right, y'all. I'm waiting on my food. She want to cook me a fresh pie. I've been sitting for a while, but I'm grateful that she's looking out for me. Shout out to mama. They really closing, but she was out, so you know you got to bless her with a good tip, right? Oh, I don't even know. They're gonna get copyright with this music. Let me curb and cut this off. Oh, that's beautiful right there. What do we have in there?
You have yellow yam,
Sure,
yuca,
sure.
chickpeas, and spinach.
Oh, yo, man. What's the name of the restaurant?
Shelley's Jamaican restaurant.
Shelly's Jamaican Restaurant, Sunrise, Florida. All right.
Do you want plantain?
Oh, yes, please. You going on YouTube? Get it, y'all. Good food, man. Good food. Good food, man. It's my little spot. Good food. I need like a close up of this. Like, when I'm opening. You know what I mean?
When I tell you this food was the bomb, we got some curry chickpeas with some callaloo and some yellow yam. It was the bomb. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Boy, Lando, I hear from Mando.